New tonight, Royals catcher Salvador Perez has tested positive for coronavirus. Perez says he doesn't have any symptoms and no one else in his family has tested positive, but he is self-isolating right now. Manager Mike Matheny also revealed that he had COVID-19 a month ago. We'll have details on both coming up later in sports. We're tracking coronavirus cases on both sides of the state line. Here are the most updated numbers for you. Missouri is reporting 385 new cases today. Right now, more than 5% of all tests are coming back positive in the state. Kansas is reporting 929 new cases since Wednesday. That's the highest number since the state started providing those updates on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Right now, 9.9% of all tests in Kansas are coming back positive for coronavirus. A new mask requirement is now in effect for the state of Kansas. Doctors say if people follow it, that should help prevent the spread.
It's really about the barrier. If you are coughing, if you are talking loudly or sneezing or anything like that, those masks can offer protection for you as well as being a barrier for someone who is ill. And certainly, hopefully, with the mask mandate, people will now be wearing masks. We obviously know that mask shaming has gone on, whether you're wearing it or not wearing it. We know, and history has shown, really coercion doesn't work for various things, whether it be religion or other economic or social things. Certainly, if our leaders elect to make those mandates, that should hopefully work.
Missouri does not have the mandates in place. Certain counties and areas in Missouri do, but it is not a statewide rule. A reminder to monitor yourself for symptoms if you've been to Bullwinkle's Bar in Lawrence recently. 5 people have tested positive since visiting that bar at 14th and Tennessee. The people were there on June 20th and June 26th through 27th. We told you that last week another outbreak was linked to the Hawk, another bar in Lawrence. Now all bars in Lawrence are shut down. Small businesses now have more time to get financial help during the pandemic. President Trump extended the deadline for businesses to apply for a loan under the Paycheck Protection Program. Since March, more than 4.8 million small businesses applied for the loans. Officials say there are $130 million left. The deadline to apply for the program is now August 8th.